Good afternoon, classmates. I am Luis Fernando Padilla. I am a busy schedule. From Monday to Friday, I get up at half past 5. I take a shower. I dress up. I have a breakfast. At 7 o'clock, I go to my work by motorcycle. In my work, I arrive at 7:30, and then I prepare the class. I have a breakfast and 10 a.m. excuse me, and I go to my work, and then at noon I go to my home. In my home, I arrived at 2 p.m. I have lunch with my wife. I sleep a question of 1 hour. Then I prepare the next classes. Newly, I go to bed because my work is every day very hard. It's all time, all afternoon. Sometimes I go play soccer with some friends Monday, Wednesday, on Fridays. This is my weekdays. On weekends, I get up at 9 a.m. And I usually go to my family eat out because my wife don't like the cook. She and me go out the breakfast and the lunch. Usually when the days are sunny, we go to places for swim. This is normally my days in the week. Thank you very much. Goodbye.